are down on 4th Avenue. You can see June 13th, 2008, the Great Flood. See, it's all water down there. The entire downtown area is completely submerged. Pretty incredible. Here we are down at the intersection of 7th Street and 5th Avenue. See, there's a car. It's completely submerged. Well, largely submerged. It was worse earlier today, actually. It's gotten a little better. But it's pretty wild down here.
Been there. Hi, sweetie. You see the big water?
Can you see the water we have?
Yeah, we're shooting through the grass.
Alright, that's good for now, probably. Yeah, no man. Look at that.
Yeah.
These homes are just toast. Should we take this? Probably, huh?
Yeah. Go a little slow here, right here. Look at this here, man.
You can zoom too if you put the thing over to the right.
Yeah.
You can zoom in and out. Wow. Wow, look at that car. That's deep water. City Heat is totally underwater. City Heat. Look at that. Incredible. Look at that. Look at that. Look how far that goes. Man. Here's my dentist. I don't think I'll be having my appointment next week. Look at that, there's rapids. Like,